How to find out MSG Viewer and launch the software. First of all, type Betavare MSG Viewer in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch MSG Viewer and click on the Finish button. How to view MSG file with this software. First, you need to install MSG Viewer on your computer and open it. You will get two input options: select files or select multiple files. Choose any one. Then click on the Browse button for the Select MSG file. There is a preview of your MSG files. How to uninstall the MSG Viewer software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the View MSG file.